Continuing the halachas of Pesach, we're holding now Siman Kuf Yud, which is Dinei Halisha v'Afias HaMatzos, the laws of kneading and baking matzos. In this Siman, it's going to teach us the process of baking matzos, beginning with the procedure to Kashering in oven, which is Chometz, fit for Pesach use, and continuing through the actual baking of the matzos. Halacha Aleph. Taner she'ofu be'chometz kisheretz l'avos be'matzos. When one wishes to bake matzos in an oven in which chometz was baked, tzarich la'achshirei ayde libun ba'or. He has to first make it kosher for Pesach through libun with fire. The hainu. What does that mean? She'asiku kol kach. He has to heat up the oven. Ashiritzetis netazim mimeno until the sparks fly from it. Ki bepachas mizeh, less than this, leheva libun gomer. It's not considered total libun. V'tzarich la'izar she'yilcha gecholim al pnei kulei. We have to be careful that the coals should come into contact with its entire surface. V'tevi yasher. It's also good and proper. The gorfei to shovel the oven out. U'lanakese heitiv to clean it well. Achar hesek after heating up. U'lahamtin out she'yitztanin k'tzas, and then wait till it cools off somewhat. V'achar kach, and afterwards yachser v'yisakeu la'afias hamatzos. Then one should heat it up again and bake it for the matzos. V'lei miyad achar libun, and not bake the matzos immediately after libun. Halacha beis. Yeshnei again latuach hasatana rekarka chadosha k'dei shleitztorchu la'achshirei ayidei ha'esek. Some have the minhag to coat the floor of the oven with fresh earth in order that they should not need to render it kosher for Pesach through lighting a fire. Because after coating the floor of the oven, you don't really need to have any further actions, since the chometz that is absorbed in the roof and the walls, which have not been covered with the earth, will emerge through libun. From the flame that is lit for the baking of the matzos. It's proper custom, provided that the coat, and with a thick layer of earth, that is, the thickness of the thumb breadth or more, upon the entire surface. However, a thin coating, is not really effective.